In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add another user account on Windows 11. Let's get started. The first method is through settings. For that, launch your settings. Now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option accounts. Now head over to the option family. Then click on add account under other users. Now go ahead and provide the credentials. Click on next and follow the on-screen instructions. Next up, if you want to create a local account instead, you will need to head back, then navigate to the option Your Accounts. Click on the option Add a Microsoft account. Then go ahead and click on the option Create One. Then follow the on-screen instructions to create one. The second method is through computer management. For that, right-click on the Start button and select the option Computer Management, expand local users and groups. Then select users, right-click on the window and choose new user, enter the required account details and click create. That's it. This is how you can easily add another user on Windows 11. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.